Okay guys, so as you can tell in our last video, we built like a big house on the side of a mountainside connecting to a village of deep slate. Like a really cool cave, connected to a cave, balcony, good stuff here. So anyways, so we made a deep slate tile specifically. So here we enter, it's like a really nice and cozy. So what I'm planning to do is add a sky base. So here we got our storage room, as you can tell, nice and cozy too with the balcony. So we're just gonna make a hole here, and then this is where the sky base entrance will be, I think. So I might change it, but the entrance will be here, and yeah. So we're gonna make I think we should make a water elevator. That sounds pretty nice. So I think we're gonna make a water elevator, and then we might connect it to the village we have over here, which is already connected to by the staircase. So as you can see over here, yeah. So this is gonna be at the back. We're gonna be building this at the back of the house, all the way back here. So yeah, so it's really close to the top of the house though. So anyways, so we're just gonna create a pathway like this. So yeah, it's right next to the mountain that we built our house on. So it's gonna look pretty cool. So we're gonna break this up. Okay. And we're gonna use deep slate tiles as the floor, just like we did to use the house walls and the house roof, ceiling, floor, whatever you call it. Basically like the entire house. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna clear out some space to keep the glass so we can make the water elevator, because there needs to be somewhere to place the grass. My bad, glass. My bad. Anyways, so yeah, here, get this. Okay, so now, I need to place glass. Yeah, just gonna place glass like this. Yes, perfect. So we're just gonna build up and up like this until we reach enough height to build the main floor, but not at the build height. Anyways, so I'll get back to you guys once I finish building the water elevator and then the first room place. So guys, I've actually decided to move to a different spot for our base. So here, instead of that, we're gonna be building it here with the staircase instead of a water elevator. So as you can tell, the pathway is a bit shabby because we just came to this recording to tell you that we are building it here instead of on a water elevator. So here we got a nice side paths to go. We got a nice village view. So yeah, our end rods is lighting, and yeah, it's like, as you can tell, it's like a nice little circular sphere shape. So I'll get back to you guys once I've built the pathway. Okay guys, so so for the pathway, I changed it and I added glass. So here's how it looks like when you go up. You can get a nice little view. And then here's what it looks like on the outside. Yeah. Nice shape. Yeah, so this will be the main lobby. There'll be multiple other rooms. So I'll tell you guys when I finish the first 3 rooms. Hey guys, here's a fun fact too. While I'm building, if you want to carve up a mountain, I will show you how. So first, you go into this mountain side of the mountain. You want to carve. Oh my god. Yeah, I want to carve this weird tent thingy. It's really sus. Hold up, what is this actually? So what exactly is this? Let's see. Some weird structure I found, I see. What is this mystery liquid? Okay, it's gone. There is a fire in here. This is very sus. Oh, this is interesting. Anyways, if you you want to blow up a mountain, carve the mountainside. Like I'm gonna carve this tent. First, what you do is you search up throwable TNT. You grab some throwable TNT, and then you do this. Madness. And yup, that is how you carve a mountainside. And this is also the same way you create a mine. Yeah, you just do this. Yes, so satisfying. Anyways, back to the build. Okay guys, so we're done with the top part, so as you can see it's over there. So if we're gonna go up like this, going up, just using a Riptide Trident just to get there faster. If you really want to get there faster, do this. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop. Anyways, so here we are, going upstairs. This part will be like a backyard we'll build later. Okay. So up we go, we got a glass coverage. Okay. Got the end rod lighting. So there's two sides, that side and then this side. Firstly, let's in this side. So if you have my gaming setup, this is my PC. It looks really weird. Yeah. You got my gaming PC. Click, go. Beat the game. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah. So. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering how I made it one by one, just I placed a block up here. Just a block up here. The painting. First, let me break the mouse real quick. Okay, so we put a block there, and it'll give us a 1 block size painting. Then we break these, mouse back down, boom. Anyways, so going down through the glass to the second thing. This one isn't actually a room, it's a pool. It's a really cool pool too. Got the walkway and we've got our diving board. Anyways, yeah, really cool. Loving the pool. Interesting spot over here. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, really cool. So this is how the glass walkways look on the outside. So here are obviously spots to add additional rooms, which you will later. Yeah. So anyways, so yeah, that is part 2, building the sky base. And I will see you guys for the next one.